How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80073d10. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Corrupted cache files can prevent the Microsoft Store from installing apps, leading to errors like 0x80073d10. Resetting the cache clears out problematic data. Wait till a black window shows up, do not close it. Once it's gone, Microsoft Store should restart. Open the Microsoft Store and try installing the app again. Insufficient disk space can cause app installations to fail, especially for larger apps or games. Ensuring enough free space on your system drive can prevent this error. Fix 3. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Built-in troubleshooters can detect and fix common issues with the Microsoft Store, such as service errors or corrupted app packages, that might cause installation failures. Fix 4. Re-register Microsoft Store. Corrupted store components can cause installation errors, and re-registering the app can reset its core files to fix the issue without affecting your data. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, corrupted system files can interfere with the Microsoft Store's ability to install apps, leading to errors like 0x80073d10. SFC and DISM tools can repair these files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 6. Check time and date. Incorrect system settings can disrupt Microsoft Store authentication, causing installation errors. Ensuring these are accurate aligns your PC with the store's requirements.